The first thing we want to do is make sure that we're on Manchester's Destiny homepage. So if you see a screen like this, you want to find the school that says Manchester. It starts with M-A-N for man. And click it. And that'll take us to our school's Destiny homepage. And then we see some links at the bottom of the screen. These links right here are our database links. For our season research, we're going to be using PebbleGo database. So we come over and we click on PebbleGo. And that'll open us up to the PebbleGo homepage. We're going to be using this search bar right here, and that's where we type our season. So you would type spring, summer, fall, or winter, depending on what season you picked. And I'm going to type fall. And then the search results will come up. We want just the season by itself, so we'll click. And then it'll take us to a page where we have our choices. Our research, we need to look at the animals page, the weather, the people, and the plants. So if I start with animals, I see a photograph first, and then I see text. If I want the text to read to me, I just click on the speaker icon. When I want to pause it, I hit pause and I can start again. I also see tabs up top. Fall food, migration. With the different tabs, there are also photographs and then text that can be read to me. I want to find a fact to put down on my organizer about animals. So let's say that I want this fact right here: some animals migrate to warmer places in fall. I would take that and write it down in the animals section of my organizer. When I'm finished, I want to go back to the fall homepage by going to the top and making sure I see where it says back to fall. And then I can go to my next category, which would be fall weather. At fall weather, I see another photograph, I see more text that can be read, and I see the speaker icon. I also see words in red. If I click the word in red, it'll tell me what that word means in case I'm not sure. So season, one of the 4 parts of a year: spring, summer, fall, and winter. And just like before, I would find a weather fact that I want to put down on my organizer. I would write it down, go back to fall, and go to the next category. If you have any questions, remember to raise your hand, and we're going to be making smart choices online with media computers, and enjoy your research.